Nikhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10th NCERT, chapter 11, construction. First of all, in the construction chapter, when you start to study, you will take pen, pencil, scale, compass and eraser. Without this, you can't do it. Each line you do, and by line you construct also. So first construction of this class 10th is division of the line segments. Division of the line segment, to divide a line segment in a given ratio. So here we will see a line segment given. What is given? A line segment of 8 cm is given. To construct heading, divide it in 3:4. Steps of construction. First of all, you will write step of construction and draw stepwise you draw line AB 8 cm. By the scale, first of all, you will draw a line of 8 cm. I have drawn a line of 8 cm. After drawing the line, draw angle BAX or a ray AX which makes acute angle. Any ray like this we will put, and draw a line AX which makes the acute angle with line AB. A as a center, mark 7, 3:4. What is? Divide it in 3:4 means 3 plus 4, 7. 7 equal arcs, any radius, and AX on AX. What is the next step? How will you mark the arc? First of all, you take the compass, put here and take this. One radius I have taken, one mark, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 arcs, and write as a A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Then join A7 because the sum is last with the end point of the line segment. Like this we will put and join it. A7B we will join with a dotted line. Then next step, draw a line from A3 parallel to A7B. How will you draw a parallel line? We will make a corresponding angle equal. It is not a 10th standard part. So we will draw a, how will you do? Draw a line parallel from A3 parallel to A7B. How? Like this we will make an arc of this. Same radius, we will make the arc here. Same radius. Then equal angle formation which is given in class 9th. So take the measure of this and from here you cut it. After this, by scale you join these two. You will get where it meets this point is C. And C is a point whose divide the line segment AB in two parts, 3:4. 3 is this part and 4 part is this. In similar triangle, when we will study, then you will understand how it is 3:4. Because it will be similar. This triangle similar, line parallel to this by basic proportionality theorem. You will get A3 upon A3 A7 equal to AC upon BC. So here it is your result. It is your result. Now second construct, there is a 2 option. Because it is a 3:7, there is a 2 option. Another option is given. When, how will you draw? Alternative methods. No need to add it, 4 and 3. You will draw it by alternative method. Draw a line AB first by scale. Then make a angle, a line AX. Here I have written, draw angle BX acute or any ray AX which makes AB acute angle. Then draw one more BY parallel to AX. BY parallel to AX. How? By same process, equal angle. We will take like this. One arc you will draw for making alternate interior angles equal. From here I am drawing this. Then measure this. This angle you measure. And from here you cut. And then join by this. You will get it is a parallel line. BY is parallel to AX. BY parallel to AX. After this, take a radius. How many? Take a radius, mark 3 arcs on. 3:4 is given. How much? 3:4 is given. So 3 on this, 4 on this. 3 arcs mean 1 radius I have taken. Mark 1 arc. Same radius. Second, third, 3 here, and same on the B. Same radius. B1, B2, B3 and B4. Same radius. After this, join, last line, join A3B4. Join A3B4 which intersect AB at C. Which intersect AB at C. And this point is your required point. Divide AC upon CB is equal to 3:4. This will be by double assimilarity both the triangles. In the triangle chapter we will study. Now another construction is given to construct a triangle similar to the given triangle by a given scale factor. What is the scale factor? Scale factor, construction of a triangle to the similar to a given triangle as per given a scale factor. Scale factor means the ratio of the sides of first triangle to the sides of constructed triangle. Scale factor means, what is the scale factor means? Ratio of the side of triangle to the constructed with the corresponding sides of the given triangle. It is called the scale factor, like 3/4. So example is given in the book also. Construct a triangle similar to a given triangle with a scale factor 3/4. 3/4 is called the one triangle which is it is a constructed, what we construct, and 4 is the already given. So AB5, a triangle is given whose 3 sides are given, AB, BC and AC. So now solution given, you will write. Then you have to construct what? A similar triangle with a scale factor 3/4. 3/4 is less than 1 or not? So it means what triangle you will construct, it will be smaller than the given triangle. First of all, triangle construction is given class 7th. You will 7th and 9th also. So you will draw the triangle of given measure. First step of construction is this. Draw a triangle of given measure means, first of all I have drawn a line BC base. Rough figure you will draw. What is given? ABC. BC is given 6. AB is given 5 and AC is given 7. So first of all I have drawn the 6 centimeter line here, AB. Then take the compass, measure 4 centimeter, and after measuring it from here we cut one mark. Then measure 7 centimeter and then from here we cut here. Where both are intersecting, it is a construction not of class 10th standard, it is a class 7th standard construction. Triangle construction you do like this, SSS construction. So I have got a triangle. Now your 10th standard start. What is your process? You yourself keep in your mind, in your copy, read, listen it and draw it. Don't see only. Then only you will get. What here I have written. Draw a ray BX. A one ray without measuring. Like this you put one ray, you draw. One ray you draw a BX which makes acute angle with BC. Second step I have written. With BC. Another step. What is the given out of this? What is greater? 3/4. Which one is the greater? Numerator or denominator? No matter. What is greater, that you will draw. Here given, from B take any radius, mark 4 equal arcs on B1, B2, B3. Next step. After drawing BX, what is your step? First you take this radius, any radius. You keep in your mind that must will be there, not very far. So B1, then from B1, B2, then from B2, B3, then from B3, B4. 4 arcs we have got. Now, what is the denominator? 4 is the denominator. You join with the C, with scale. Now I have joined B4C. How? Like this. Join B4C. Next step, from A3, you read and then draw. From A3, draw a line parallel to B4C. Like previous, pair of corresponding angles. So for parallel line we will take a compass and this one arc, same radius from B3 I am drawing a one arc, then measure this angle, equal angle formation class 9, that is given this measure, and from here I have cut it. It is equal angle formation, so no need to show it in the written form, only you know how will you draw. And then join this cut, and then where it meets the BC it is C dash by scale. So before meets BC at C dash. Now next step, from C dash same process what here you have done, draw a line parallel to AC. From C dash draw a line parallel to AC, meets AB at A dash. How will you draw? Same process you will adopt, drawing the equal angle, means take this arc, from here same radius here you mark, measure this angle, and then from here you cut, and by cutting you join like this, and check also it is parallel or not, and where it meets it is your A dash. Triangle A dash B C dash is your required triangle. It is your result. What is called this? It is called the result. In each case, sometimes it will be given, steps are not needed, only you construct and write the result. It is a very common and easy question. How will you follow the instructions and do in your copies. Don't read and see only. Without actual constructions you can't understand. Next, second type of the construction is given in the same. Second example is given. The numerator is greater than denominator, 5 by 3. Example number 2 is given. Triangle ABC where 4, 6 and 5 are the sides. Construct the similar triangle A dash B C dash. What is the name? A dash B C dash. B is not the dash. Naming also you do properly. Otherwise you forget to write where you write A dash, where you write A. A dash B C dash similar to triangle ABC with scale factor 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is greater than 5 by 3 is greater than 1. 5 by 3 is greater than 1 means the triangle will be greater than given triangle. Means what triangle you draw, it will be outside. In this case, when it is greater. Now how will you do? First step, same process. What is the first step? What is the first step? First step is draw a triangle ABC of given measure. Triangle is given this. What is given? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. It is 4, it is 5, it is 6. It is a rough figure you draw. Then you draw BC 6 cm like class 7th. After drawing BC, write down the C here. BC you write. Then by compass, you start measuring 4 and mark one arc here. Here you mark the another arc. Where both the arcs intersect, it will be A. Write down A. Join by scale A, B and AC. Like this you join. Your triangle is ready. Your triangle ABC is ready. After ready, then what is the second step? First step is over. Draw ray BX. Makes acute angle. No measurement. Only put the scale like this. Any like this, any. Here you can draw, here you can draw, here you can draw. But acute angle not 90 or greater. Acute angle you draw BX. Then mark 5 equal arcs. Why 5? 5 by 3 is given. So what is greater in out of numerator and denominator? That is the number of part on BX. It is given in numerator or denominator, no matter. So 5 parts you draw. 1, second, equal radius, third, fourth, fifth. Now don't join like previous. Denominator you see. What is the denominator? 3. 3 you join from C. Join B3C. It is written. Join B3C. I have joined. See? Join B3C. Then next step. From B5 draw B5C dash parallel to B3C meets BC produced at C dash. How? Same process. From B3 you put one arc like this. From B5 equal angle you formation. measure this angle from here to here, see, and from here I am cutting like this. When it cut, then you join by scale and produce this line, BC line produced, where it meets its point is C dash. Now from C dash draw another line parallel to this line, but it will go outside. How? Same angle. Angle C you make equal. How will you draw parallel? One arc from C dash, another arc, measure this angle, and from here you cut this, and then by scale these 2 points you meet and produce this side. Like this you meet and then produce this side and produce this line also, AB, where it meets that point is A dash. So it is written here, you see that. From C dash draw C dash A dash parallel to C dash A dash parallel to AC, meets produced BA at A dash. A dash B C dash is required triangle. A dash B C dash, big triangle. It is bigger than the given because your scale factor is a improper fraction. That's why it is a bigger. Okay. Now you see the exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.8 cm and divide 5:8 and measure the two parts. Steps are like a previous. What is given you write. To construct 5:8, measure two parts. First you draw a line. First step you draw a line. I have drawn a line. Then I am here adopting 5:8. I am not adopting the first method what I have told you here. This method I am not adopting. Second alternate method, this, because there is a 13 parts. So 8 plus 5, 13 will be there. So what will you do? You draw AX, make acute angle with AB. Second step, draw BY parallel to AX, opposite of AX. Make 5 equal bars on AX as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So here I have done. First of all, I have drawn the line. What? It is 6.8 centimeters, 7.8. What is given? Then draw acute angle. Next step. But then draw a parallel line BY. How? By this angle equal to this. I have told you in the previous one. This angle. Then this angle. Then measure this. And then from here you cut. And you have drawn the two parallel lines. After this 5 radius, your question is from a 5 equal. Don't take big because there is a many. So I am taking a small radius like this. A small radius like this. Then from here cut 1. Again from A2. Again from A3. Again from A5. Same radius here also. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. 8 equal part. Join last by last. Join last by last. When you draw this side and this side, you can also do it like this also. You can draw here and here also. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Like this. You can draw this also. Then also this will be, this is the C. AC upon BC is equal to, you are seeing line same radius, mark 8 equal hours on B, B1, B2, B3 up to B8 and join B8, A5. Intersect AB at C. C is required point, then AC ratio BC is equal to 5:8. When you measure it, you are getting the 3 and 4.3 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter you are getting. And you can take the ratio AC upon BC, it is 5/2, 30/48, 5/8. It is the construction. Question number 2 is given. Construct a triangle 4, 5, 6. I have already constructed, and similar whose ratio is 2/3. This measurement construction I have done, and it is corresponding side of the first 2/3. 2/3. I have written here all steps. I have written: draw triangle ABC, draw ray BX, acute angle, cut 3 equal arcs on this, join this, and draw B3. C dash parallel to B3C meets BC at C dash. It is a smaller triangle, 2 by 3 you will get. You see here how higher you are drawing. First of all, you draw a triangle ABC of given nature, draw BC, take 4 arc and take 6 arc. 5 centimeter I have drawn, 4, 5, 6. Rough figure you draw, and then according to the rough figure it is given, what is given, 4, 5, 6. So 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6. I have drawn 6 first. What is 5? Then from here I have marked 1 arc by compass, drawing the triangle. 1 arc from first triangle is over. Then construction starts. Draw a ray BX. Then mark 3 equal arcs and join last. Why? Because denominator is given 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means denominator. 3 is the out of this which is greater, it is the number of arcs. And from the denominator number you join the last point, B3C. Numerator left inside. Previous one numerator left outside. So from here parallel lines, 1 angle, then 1 angle, cut arc, and this join, you will get a triangle A dash B C dash is your required triangle. Third question is given a triangle 5, 6, 7 and construct 7 by 5. Scale factor is 7 by 5. So 5, 6, 7. First of all, you see here I have written all the things. Construction you read and accordingly you draw. Read the construction and draw it. What is given? A dash B C dash, similar to this, scale factor 7 by. First you draw triangle of given measure. Draw BX, make acute angle. 7 by 5. What is greater? 7 is greater. So 7 parts on the baseline. Acute angle line BX. And denominator is 5. It is very important. B5C will be joined. And then parallel lines will be drawn. Read carefully, and from only reading without seeing the figure you can draw it. But you see here what I have done. First I have drawn the BC. How much centimeter? Figure is given. How much? 6, 5, 6, 7. So BC I have drawn 6 centimeter. From BC, from B4, 5 and from C7 arcs which intersect at A, join AB and AC, your triangle is ready. Now take a acute angle like this and then mark 7 equal arcs. I have told which number is bigger, 7 equal arc. Then don't join 7 with C dash. C dash will be afterwards. It is not the figure. Join numerator only what is denominator given. 7 by 5. 5 is given. 5 you join with the end point. I have joined. Then from numerator you draw a line parallel. Numerator outside of this line. So from B7 I have drawn the parallel line by equal angle formation measurement which intersect the produced BC at C dash. From C dash draw a line parallel to AC meets produced BA at A dash. Produced BA at A dash, and then triangle A dash B C dash is required triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of ABC. Fourth question. Construct a triangle of, it is a typical question because construction is very altitude and isosceles triangle base is given. 1 whole 1 by 2 scale factor means 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So your scale factor is 3 by 2. First you see in the isosceles triangle what is given? Base given 8 centimeter and the altitude given 4. Sides are not given. So your construction, how will you construct that you think? 1 whole you change into fraction 3 by 2. Draw a BX line, make acute angle with BC, 3 equal arcs, B3C join, B3C dash parallel to BC meets produced BC at C dash. Then next step, C dash, A dash parallel to AC meets produced B at A dash. Next, you see how I have constructed. First of all, I have drawn the rough figure and 3 by 2. Rough figure I have drawn ABC. Perpendicular. In isosceles triangle, perpendicular is the perpendicular bisector of base. So first of all, draw BC. How much? How much centimeter? 8 centimeter. I have drawn the BC 8 centimeter. After drawing BC, draw the perpendicular bisector of BC like a class 6, more than half, both the side. Perpendicular bisector. For drawing of triangle, I am showing you. More than half I have drawn. Then join this perpendicular bisector and produce like this. After this, from here we cut 4 because it is given 4. So from here I am cutting 4 centimeter here. Measure from 4 from scale, and then from here you cut 4. It is your point A. You have got A. After getting A, join AB and AC, your triangle is ready. First of all, you will prepare your triangle. Triangle is ready. First of all, what I have done, draw the BC. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of it. Then D you are getting. From D I am cutting the 4 centimeter A from here like this, and then join AB and AC, you are getting your triangle ABC. Now step of 10th standard. Second step. पहले step में first step it is only. Second step you draw acute angle BX. Mark numerator 3 greater, so which is greater, 3 equal arcs like this, 1, 2, 3. Then denominator is 2. From 2 join the last point C. Then from B3 you draw a line parallel to this, means equal angle. Measure the angle and cut and join it and produce, which meets the produced BC at C dash. From C dash one more triangle you want, line you want, so from C you one arc. Here also one arc. Measure this angle, cut here, and then join this and produce this line also. Where it meets, it is your dash. So it is your A dash B C dash is required triangle whose sides are A B 3 by 2 of ABC. Okay, so it's over. Thanks for today. In the next lecture I will tell you rest part of the exercise and the other constructions. Thanks.